So this is the rendered ceiling. So as you can see, this is a living room. So the ceiling is completed, rendered. This is the front patio ceiling. And the beam also, that beam there, that section is also rendered. This is the upstairs. So you can see the fixtures are in. The wall fixtures, the lights and plug fixtures. That is AC. Another plug there. So this is the bedroom on the left side, facing the road. This is the other bedroom on the right. You can see fixtures are in. Okay. And this is a panel, upstairs panel. So this is a panel that controls everything. This is a bathroom. So we're gonna change the basin from this corner and put it over here so we have more space. The ceiling is rendered. Alright, so this is the other bathroom. As you can see, the ceiling is finished. Fixtures are in also. This is the bedroom. All the walls completed, rendered. Rough cast rather. And the ceiling rendered.